I'm gonna be reading my flashcards, which have these short O sounds in it, and I'm gonna be reading them to my students, and I'm gonna be reading these words too. Are they upside down, guys? No? Okay, good. Thanks. Okay, guys, let's get started. So, first we're gonna introduce our students. So, first we'll start with our first student.
Hi, my name is Bendy. I'm Cuphead.
I'm Purple Squishy Cat. And I'm Shiny Cat. Keychain. I'm Purple Unicorn.
And this is Poison Ivy.
There's Purple Bat. And Squishy Pink Cat.
And last of all, my favorite.
Hi, I'm Giraffe.
There is all of our cute tiny friends here. Now this is gonna be my classroom. Oh, we forgot one more character. We forgot our last person today. It's...
Hi, my name is Sleepy Lamb.
Now, let's get started. First on our list is job. See everyone? Job. Next is doll. And now we have box. And now we're going to try sounding this out. Drop. Drop. Drop, everyone. Lock. Lock. Lock, everybody. Says lock. And now we have box. Like a cat is inside a box. And we got off. We have dog. We got hop. We got not. Lost. Yost. On. And since all my students were so patient today, we have these yellow erasers. We'll talk about them. So we have this guitar one. So you're able to take this blue part off, and you can put it back on. You can also take this black one off. You can also buy these at stores. And I'll show you how to put them together. So now that I took all of them off, even on the back, so you get this little white piece, and you put it on the back, right here. And we got this little guitar part, so it's gotta go in the front, see? Now, we get this part put here, and then we get this little string guy. So, now, put this little string guy right here, and put on this yellow part. And there you go. You remade the guitar. And now, we're doing our headphones. We also have the microphone. I know what this black part is supposed to come off, but for some reason it doesn't. Only half of it is able to come off. For some reason, I don't know why. So we also have the headphones. So you can take these little blue parts off, see? So whenever you take one of the blue parts off, the black part comes off too. And if the black part comes off, the blue part will come off too. And now, ears. They can't really reach my cat ears. So then, you put one blue one on the side, get the black one from that side, put it in there, and there you go. And I'll get another blue one on the outside, black one on the inside, and you're done with this one. And this one is actually way too easy. These actually look like they were like ripped apart for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah. So you get this yellow piece, you get this pink piece, put it together. And for some reason, I don't like that this microphone is only half. This microphone is only half opened, but it's supposed to be like fully off. So you're supposed to be able to take all of it off. So that was it. Bye guys. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.